of class 8th. Today I will discuss with you lesson 1 from civics, the Constitution of India. Students, for running a country some rules and regulations are needed, and these rules and regulations are very essential to run that country. That is why the Constitution is needed. Students, first of all, I will tell you about the Indian Constitution, and before that, it is very essential to define what is Constitution. Here you can see a constitution is a set of rules through which a country, a state or other political organization works. Means a constitution contains rules through which all the political organizations works in a country. After that, you may see that just after the independence of our country, the Constitution of India was formed by our forefathers. And on 26th November 1949, it was adopted or it was prepared by the Constituent Assembly, and it was given to the country, that is India, on 26th January 1950. Why 26th January was adopted? To give the Constitution of India to our country India. There is some historical importance. Actually, while the freedom struggle, there was a session or meeting of Congress where at Lahore. In this Lahore session, the Congress decided that on 26th January, the Congress will celebrate the full Independence Day or Purna Swaraj. And this session was held on December 1929. According to this session, 26th January will be celebrated as the Purna Swaraj Day or full Independence Day. That is why 26th January was adopted to deliver or to give the Constitution of India to the citizen of our India. Is it in one more thing here written on the whiteboard that Constitution is also referred as the fundamental law of country. Why? Because whatever laws are made by the Indian Parliament, that laws are made on the base of the Indian Constitution. Now the second point you may see on this whiteboard, importance of Constitution. Our Constitution, contains the information about the organ, about the duties and responsibilities of the government. Students, there are three organs of the government. First, executive. Second, legislative. And third, judiciary. Whatever duties and whatever responsibilities are of our government, it should be informed. It should be informed to us. That is why these all informations are, given or written in the Indian Constitution. The second importance of Constitution is it regulates relationship between various organs of the government as well as between the government and the citizen. Students, we know, and also we cast our vote for the formation of the government. That is why it is very essential to know all the information about the government. So there should be a relationship between the citizen and the government and between the organs of the government, and these all things are written in the Indian Constitution. The third importance of the Indian Constitution is it provide the system of check and balance to prevent the misuse of the government. Whatever power is provided by us to the government, it is very essential that it should be in check and balance so that no government can misuse its power. And the fourth importance is it contains fundamental rights of the citizens. Yes, students, you know that there are six fundamental rights, and these six fundamental rights are very essential for our survival, and that is why these fundamental rights are given by the constitution. So these are the importance of the constitution. Now here the next and the last point of today's video, the formation of the constitution. Actually, students, you know, while the formation of the constitution, some important features of the constitutions were taken by some other countries of the world. Here you can see that fundamental rights and federal form of government was taken by the constitution of USA. Second, parliamentary system and single citizenship was taken by the constitution of United Kingdom. Third, directive principles of state policy was taken by the constitution of Ireland. And fourth, fundamental duties and 5-year plans were taken by the USSR, United States of Soviet Russia. So here I have discussed with you first of all about the constitution, the historical importance of the constitution, the importance of the constitution, and the formation of the constitution. According to these explanation, in this video I am going to ask three questions. The first question is, what is constitution? It is written here. Note down the importance of constitution. These are the importance of constitution, and describe the formation of the constitution, and these are the elements which are taken by other countries for the formation of the constitution. I hope you understood my explanation, and I hope that you will write answer of these questions. God bless you.